Good morning, eighth graders. So I'm going to explain today's project. You actually have a choice of one of four projects to do. So let's go on option number one, drawing a colony. So you get to choose one colony of all 13. And in your drawing, incorporate things like demographics, that's people group, what kind of people live there. Leadership, what kind of leadership they had. So, political, economic base, how they made their money. For example, New England, whaling, shipping, timber, middle colonies, the bread colonies had the farms, and south it was the plantations with cash crop. Challenges they had, and other items that define the colony. So I also want to have a half-page statement. That's about 2 paragraphs. So that's drawing a colony. Lots of pictures, a good one. Option 2 is story of a slave. So 2 to 3 pages telling the story of a slave from capture in Africa to the new life in the colonies. So you can go ahead and, if you like to do stories, do that one. Number 3 is critique this picture. It tells you that I have a larger one that you can look at. I do not, but you can blow this one up with Control Plus. That will blow it up enough for you to critique it if you so choose. So give me 2 or 3 pages on the critique of that. Option 4, it's not going to be very popular. I don't see many people doing this. It's giving a 2 to 3 research page analysis of the Great Awakening, which started in 1720. We actually cover that in chapter 3. So if you would like to do that, go right ahead. But we have not studied it, so I don't see very many people doing that one. So there you have it. Those are your options for today, what you would like to do. So I'm assuming that most people will probably do the colony, and perhaps a few might do the story of a slave. I think those would probably be the top 2. But if you have any questions, let me know. Message me, and I will be more than happy to answer. And that is it. Good luck, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. Bye.